You searched how to buy shares of Compass Inc. Compass is a U.S. real estate technology and brokerage company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker COMP-US. This video is an educational walkthrough only and not investment advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. Here I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker COMP-US to find the company. Select the result that matches Compass Inc. on NASDAQ to open its trading entry. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent moves. Confirm the issuer name and ticker to make sure this is the correct Compass Inc. listing. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your Compass position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the platform link and additional resources.